Hey there everyone, and welcome to the Intermediate Dynamic Breath Hold Challenge. So by taking part in this breath hold challenge and tagging 3 of your friends to the challenge, you might be one of the 5 lucky people who are going to get free access to the full Ocean Confidence course. So the full Ocean Confidence course is the most comprehensive dry land surf specific breathwork course available online. I've been putting together this course for many months, and it is composed of some truly epic surf survival breathwork, some proper surf apnea drills. We're going to work on your CO2 tolerance, your body's ability to operate on low oxygen levels, and I'm going to introduce you to the true power and potential of your own human breath. So in this breath hold challenge, we are going to be doing a breath hold on empty lungs in the plank position, and our goal is to hold our breath here for 1 minute. And before we go into that breath hold, we are going to do 10 push-ups just to increase our heart rate, to make that breath hold just that little bit more challenging. If you had gone and watched some of my previous videos, I have gone and introduced you to a breath hold on empty lungs, and that was the 1 minute on empty video. And it is quite easy for us to hold our breath for 1 minute on empty lungs in a static condition, and this dynamic breath hold is making it just that little bit more challenging, because we've got that increased heart rate and we are utilizing a lot of our different muscles when we are in that plank position and holding our breath. So just to explain the drill to you before I go on into the demonstration. So we will start off with 10 push-ups. We are going to have our nose clamped shut with either a clothing peg or a free diving nose peg. So during your push-ups, you'll be breathing in and out through your mouth, and you're going to do 10 push-ups. You'll notice that in the demonstration I did 12 push-ups, so I just did 2 extra push-ups for luck and to push myself. But the challenge is to do 10 push-ups. After those 10 push-ups, you only have 5 breaths to recover, in and out through the mouth, nice deep inhales and deep exhales, filling up your lungs and really emptying them. After that 5th inhale, you're going to exhale completely for your 5th exhale, your 5th and final exhale, and make it a strong exhale. You're purging your lungs of all of the air inside your lungs, making sure that you have empty lungs when you go into that breath hold in the plank position. So once you have done that 5th and final exhale, you're going to tape your mouth shut, and then you're going to go into the plank position and start timing. Your goal is to get to 1 minute, and if you manage to get to 1 minute, that is truly incredible. If you do not manage to get to 1 minute and you feel that you need to stop, you can just simply put your knees down and return to a comfortable seated position. So once you are in that seated position, after your push-ups, you can remove the mouth tape and remove the peg from your nose and go straight into recovery breathing by breathing in and out through your nose. Nice and slow inhales, slow exhales, calm, controlled breathing in and out through your nose. That recovery breathing in and out through your nose is a very important part of this surf apnea challenge or the breath hold challenge, and it is going to help you increase your CO2 tolerance as well as increase your overall breath control, which is a very important part of the surf specific breathwork journey. So if you manage to get to 1 minute, that is truly incredible. If you do not manage to get to 1 minute and you feel that you need to stop, just go into that seated position, remove the tape, remove the peg from your nose, and go into a nice calm recovery breathing in and out through your nose. So this is the Intermediate Dynamic Breath Hold Challenge, and like I said, if you want to win access to the full Ocean Confidence course, which is a truly epic collection of surf specific breathwork, surf apnea drills, CO2 tolerance training, hypoxic training, and surf survival tips, then you can go and do this challenge, and hopefully you get to be one of those 5 lucky people who are going to win access to that full Ocean Confidence course. So now into the demonstration. I hope you have fun with this one. Stay stoked and breathe deep.
Before you go into the push-ups, you can put the peg on your nose and then go into the 10 push-ups. While you are doing the push-ups, you can breathe in and out through your mouth. Once you are done with your push-ups, you only have those 5 recovery breaths before you go into the breath hold. Once you are in that plank position, holding your breath on empty lungs, you want to try and relax as much as possible here and avoid any additional movement or straining of your muscles. The more that you strain or move, the faster you will use up your oxygen reserves and the more difficult the breath hold will actually be. A breath hold tip that I always teach to my students is when you're going through a tough breath hold is to close your eyes and count really slowly in your mind and take your mind to somewhere peaceful and relaxing, completely relaxing your entire body as much as possible.
Nice and slow, nice and calm recovery in and out through the nose. Hope you had fun with that challenge. That is the intermediate challenge. See if you can do it, tag your mates in that challenge and have fun.
If at any point you feel lightheaded or faint while in the plank position, gently lower yourself into a seated or lying down position and return to calm, natural breathing.